I love my bird song so much. There's so many features that are relevant and fun for me. I think especially I like the sing along. I remember those songs from when I was a girl, and I like it so much. Um, I really want to learn more about the Constitution and the lectures are some about the Constitution, so I feel like that's really very relevant for today. And of course, my favorite though is the games. I love the games. I love especially the memory game, and I think it helps me